moon, sun.
Kindergarten science class. Today our young scientists explored buoyancy with diving sea animals. Using cause and effect, they built their own divers with straws, plastic animals, paper clips and modelling clay. Then they applied pressure by squeezing the bottle. The fish dived and then they released it and the fish floated back up. Such a fun hands-on experience.
buoyancy, science. Hey! I'll be a scientist. 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 I wanna be superhero. I wanna be superhero.
A diving animal, I think. So first thing we need is some straw. About that much. Right. I don't know what you're gonna do this that. Right, what animal do you want? We've got a fish, we've got a shark, we've got a jellyfish, oh no, squid, oh, a crab, seahorse, got it, oh, what's that, or a ray, or a dolphin. Which one do you want? Which one? Seahorse? Fish? Crab? Whale? Dolphin? Squid? Ray?
ดูเอพิวสิลูกเอพิวทำได้เก่งจังเลย
Okay, who's got one ready? Good job. All right, let's see if it works. Have to squeeze. Strong, king, strong. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Can you? It's quite hard, big. Okay. Will it work? Ready? Dive. What? Squeeze. No, squeeze. Wow.
อร่อยเรื่องสองสามว้าว
Hey.
ปล่อยมือเรื่องสองสามเอาเบบี้ต้น
Hey.
ซื้อเตอร์ปล่อยมือเรื่องสองสาม
What?
ขึ้นแล้วอีกครั้งนึง
Squeeze.
ว้าวเฮ้ยลองก็ได้พี่อีกครั้งนึงเลย
Wow.
เก่งพี่ลองอีกครั้งนึงอันหนึ่งสองสามอุ้ย
Wow.